Alright, so this is part 2 of the series of the Thar. That is our own Thar. Today we're gonna install the rear view camera. कैसे किया सॉफ्टवेयर?
हमने पहले OEM वो लिया एक्सेसरी, जेन्युइन एक्सेसरी में से इंस्टॉल नहीं करवाया हमने, लेकिन हमने लिया, उन्होंने अपडेट किया तो हमने बोला फिक्स नहीं करना.
It is not something that you can do right at home or maybe just at an accessory shop because it needs a software update from the company. We're installing the camera, we'll show you how to do it, but then you have to go to the company and install the software. So now we're gonna install our own camera, but it has to be done professionally. Let's go. So the change that happens after the upgrade or the upgrade of the software is done, generally when you put the car in reverse, it just stays there, the volume goes a little less, and the screen is all normal like it is, but now it is little changed. I'll show it to you. So now after putting it in reverse, the screen goes in the AV mode. So that is the difference after the software upgradation. So once you get the software upgrade, you're good to install the camera, but installing the camera is also not as easy as plug and play. We will show you the whole process. Mr. Rahat is here wearing his helmet. Sir! Alright, so back to the multimedia or the reverse camera. So the stereo is finally out. Now we're gonna plug in the pins on the back of the connector. Okay, so here's the manual which we got from a very secret source. First of all, what we need to do is check out the connectors, and यहाँ रही हमारी pins. So we have disconnected the coupler. I mean, we have been told this model has no radio code, but we are still not very sure. So we are okay. So these are the male counterpart. We need to figure out the female counterpart of the same coupler. How many pins, Demi?
दो ही चाहिए.
We just need 2 pins. We'll open the coupler, insert those female pins, and then lock it up again. Okay, let's go and find out the couplers. जिसके अंदर से we gonna salvage the female pins and insert it in this one. बताओ कि ये कौन सी साइड और कहाँ लगना, थोड़ा डिटेल में बताओ. यही पिंस कौन सी साइड कपलर के?
ये वाले कपलर में.
ये वाला मतलब?
ये वाला सेकेंड वाला कपलर है.
हाँ.
इसमें ऐसे निकलेगा ना, एक यहाँ लगेगी, एक यहाँ लगेगी.
कहाँ पे?
यहाँ और यहाँ लगा के दिखाते हैं.
Okay, so you gotta insert these two video connect cables on this coupler on 17th and 18th pin number. So you have to count these, and you'll find that out, but we'll show you the photographs also. Not the photographs, but the video. I'm gonna pause the video here for a second, take a screenshot.
ये खुलेगा प्लास्टिक का, ऊपर लॉक निकलेगा, वो अपनी जगह आके इसको वापस बंद करना.
सही करवाना. जो हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है इस वीडियो का बस यही है कि लॉक कैसे काम करता है. ये एक्चुअल ऑब्जेक्टिव है हमारा
कि लॉक कैसे काम करता है.
क्योंकि भाई साहब 100 में से सिर्फ एक बंदा होगा जो ये पंगा लेने वाला है खुद से. उसमें से BYC एक है, बाकी 99 का मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकता अभी. शायद मेरी मोटिवेशनल इंस्पिरेशनल बकवास सुन के शायद 2-4 और ट्राई कर दे और बाद में खराब कर देंगे स्टीरियो अपना और गालियां हमें निकालेंगे.
Alright, so you heard that. अगर आप ये करने वाले हो तो please write it down in the comment and do show it to us. DM us on Instagram your photographs installation का.
We'll be very happy. Yeah. And do mention me. Do mention me.
आपका Instagram handle तो बताओ.
बस ये वाला.
Okay. Okay, by the way, our 1,000-kilometer service is due, so we're just gonna insert this coupler wala thing and check out the video signal, and then we're gonna go to Astro, get it serviced, come back, and then
कुछ नहीं, बैठ के
फिर करेंगे कैमरा पूरा इंस्टॉल. बट अभी ये खाली ये करके चेक करके वी आर लीविंग. We'll get to see what happens in Astro. Stays in Astro. Is now done, like as in like pinning and all, and time to go to Astro and get the first service done.
Backyard. मुझे लगा कभी स्ट्रॉबेरी.
ये हमारी पार्टी चल रही है.
ये हमारी पार्टी चल रही है. स्ट्रॉबेरी पार्टी. ये हम हैं, ये हमारी स्ट्रॉबेरी और ये हमारी पार्टी चल रही है. So we have a off-road shortcut to the Astro from our workshop. So we have decided to take that shortcut. Alright, so we have reached Astro, parking the car, getting it checked in, and we got a lot of work to do.
There's something you deny about your pretty face, but
Alright, so we have decided to drop our vehicle here. It's going to take another 30 minutes, and we're going to take windshield of Rahat's vehicle.
with yourself. Oh, yeah.
प्लान ये है, अभी हम शीशा लेकर जाएंगे विंडशील्ड, और हम अपने BYC में जाके उसको लगाएंगे.
Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love.
Alright, so service is done. Hemant is gone because somebody was waiting at the workshop, and Rahat is gonna drive the car. Does it look brand new now? Yes, it does.
Open up, just spread your wings and jump to rise, not fall. You flying higher. You jump to fly higher. Open up, just spread your wings and jump to rise, not fall. You flying higher. You jump to fly higher. Standing on the edge while you're looking down, flying down on the ground just to find out.
निकल लेट हो गए थे, ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाए थे पूरा. आज करेंगे कंप्लीट.
Alright, so yesterday we got super late, or we started working on some other cars. So today we are back at installing the reverse camera, opening up the infotainment system once again.
साइंस के लिए करना पड़ता है.
Be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love.
styles and 2 different types of cameras. We're gonna test out both, so we know what works, what doesn't work in future.
Breathe in some love.
Alright, so the camera is good to go. The connections are good.
बन गई केबल
दिखाओ. Alright, so now we have the AV port in for the stereo, and we just joined up the thing. You're gonna see these orange and blue connections. These are the connections for the AV in. This one and this one, the blue and orange.
So, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping.
Sending emojis, I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real nigga. Stay Tommy'd up, trying to build it up, trying to count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil niggas. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking swole. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy.
Alright, so the final connections are done. We just need to test it out for the final time, and
बस टेस्ट करते हैं पहले. टेस्ट कर लेते हैं.
Isolate, hey, watch me isolate. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping.
So it's a successful installation, though the quality of the video is not great, but that is due to the screen. We have tried different cameras on it. That was the final result. So that's it for this one. I hope you guys have got few hints about what is coming up in the next part 3.
रिवर्स कैमरा कंपनी से लगेगा, बाहर तो कोई खुद नहीं DIY नहीं कर पाएगा.
Right, so it's not a DIY thing. Remember, I mean, you can do all the installation yourself if you like to, but you have to get the software from the company. That's it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Do subscribe, push the notification bell. Thanks. Bye.